Welcome to the chapter 6 of God's Heart for Marriage, and the chapter is titled as Sexuality, Sanctity and Holiness. Genesis chapter 1 verse 27 quotes, God created man in his own image. In the image of God he created him, male and female he created them. Also, in this chapter we are going to learn and understand about what is sexuality and what is not sexual and what not is sexuality, and how is sanctity and holiness defined to us according to the Bible. 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 23 says, God created man as a three-dimensional being. What is three-dimensional being? It means that we are made up of a body, a soul and a spirit. Our behavior is expressed through the body. The soul has three dimensions. They are mind, emotions and will. The spirit is the most important dimension because God is spirit. Now, you might also ask me, is sexuality related to the body or the soul or the spirit? Since we as a man or a woman are three-dimensional beings, so how is sexuality related to the body, the soul and the spirit? So, very commonly we think that sexuality relates only to the body. If we go a little further, we may say that it relates to the body and the soul. This is because we think that sexuality is a body issue or a soulish body issue. But it is important for us to have a revelation that we have been created in the image of God, and this image is invested in a spirit. There is a spirit realm in each human being, and sexuality, which is manhood or womanhood, proceeds from this spirit realm. In the book of Matthew chapter 5 verse 28, Jesus said, if you look at a woman to lust after her, you have committed adultery with her already in your heart. Therefore, it can be said that the heart, which belongs to the spirit realm, is the seat of human sexuality. From here proceed all the issues pertaining to sexuality. Therefore, I can say that, and we can say that sexuality is a heart issue. Now, I will share with you two things of what sexuality is not. Sexuality is not sex. Sexuality is not defined by sex. If you think sexuality is only sex, it is not true. Sexuality is not all about sex, but it is the heart of your manhood or womanhood. Nobody can see into this heart, and only you know its true nature. If you think manhood or womanhood is in the body, then you will always associate it with sex and physical relationships and body organs. This thinking is carnal sexuality, but you must know that sexuality is deep in the spirit realm of a person, and it is a heart issue for which only you are responsible. In the book of Matthew chapter 15 verse 19, if you read, part B of it says that out of the heart proceeds fornication, adultery, etc. And the second thing that I would like to share with you, of which sexuality is not, that is, sexuality is not your personality. Personality is your personhood, who you are as a person. It is defined by your strengths, weaknesses, abilities, talents, communication skills, leadership skills, etc. etc. But sexuality or manhood, womanhood describes you as a man or a woman. We operate through our sexualities and our personalities at any given point of time, but we must learn to identify the differences between the two. Personality is meant for the workplace and outside home, but sexuality is for the family, for close, intimate relationships. The problem comes when we operate our sexualities at workplace and personalities in the family. This leads to undesirable relationships at workplace and ego conflicts within the family. Operating through our sexualities at workplace and outside may seem to be beneficial to get our way, but it is not morally correct. It is ethically wrong. The main thrust of sexuality is designed for marriage. Absolute expression of sexuality is in marriage. So here I complete the part 1 of our chapter 6 and will continue the other 2 parts in the coming week. Till then, God bless you. Please stay safe and healthy.